Pig barra. Oh, mate. Monster this, you know? Watch your peeps.
Look at that. See? Good amber job, bro.
So I go every day is a fishing day, but not a catching day. But today is definitely a catching.
Catching what?
Hey peeps, welcome again to another Kevin's Adventure. Out here again on the blue water, you know. Set sail since evening, guys. And heading to Farm Eagles Bank, but we're heading to the far north of the bank, guys. Almost to the end of the bank. Right? It's about 48 miles over there. So it's roughly around 3.5 hour, almost 4 hour drive. Yeah, so hopefully take the bank by nightfall. And I'm going to do some yellowtail fishing, and then in the morning we'll do some red snapper fishing, you know. Yeah, looking for the snappers on the deep. Yeah man, but if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you hit that post notification bell so you can get new updates or whenever I upload new videos. And enough love and respect to everybody who always support the channel. Big up to everybody, yard and abroad. Yeah, worldwide. Yeah, I see a lot of people from Africa, Canada, America, all over. Yeah man, just continue watching the video, guys, and share the content and continue to support the channel, guys. I have a whole heap of contents coming, guys. I know I haven't been releasing a lot of contents like I used to, but that's because I'm mostly on the waters, guys. I'm already home, so you have to just bear with me, guys, but I promise you I have some exciting content coming up, guys, so stay tuned. And remember, guys, continue to support the channel by watching the videos, watching the ads, liking the channel, and leaving a comment. All right? Yeah man, so enough love and respect. We're jumping at the videos right now, guys. Bless up. Yeah peeps, it's now 6 in the morning. Did some fishing last night. Just caught a few yellowtail. The current was really strong, so it didn't work in our favor. But still managed to catch a few fish. Here in the morning now, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Going a line, as you can see. So we can catch some bait to start the day for the red fishing. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. So I'm going to have the wire line. Captain just hook up Bonita. I think it's a blackfin tuna. Barra. On the gaff. So just bait up the first strap and sink it on a depth where we can catch some black snapper. Right, that's a plateau, black snapper. So hopefully we can catch some this morning. So I'll go on. Alright, so stay tuned. If you like what's happening in the video so far, guys, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, make sure you hit that post notification bell so you can get new updates for whenever I upload new videos. Alright, I'll sink off the line now, so I'll go on. Guys, I'm going for the first line now. I can't put it fast now because taxman territory there now. In a taxman territory. Hold this. Black snapper, one plateau. Hey guys, this is the black snapper, aka plateau. Yeah man, so it has a little blue streak on his eye right here, so you can identify it. We're so dark, have a light grayish color. Understand me? One of the best eating fish I've ever had since I consume fish. That's just my opinion still, I've tried for yourself. But it's not something that they catch that easily. As we said, they may live where a lot of sharks are, you understand me? So it's like the eye of the sharks as their bodyguards. So, yeah man, plateau. And they're very aggressive guys. When they take a line, they're aggressive. Yeah man. Nice eating fish guys. Hey guys, I'm come up again with the line company 600. Feel like probably one goal eye snapper upon it or a bone fin. Goal eye. Snap at them. You can share them. You guys, these are called whole eye silk snappers. So them eye yellow, called whole eye. Line I just come up guys. Yeah man, just link up man, bridging them, yeah? man, fish them move lame today.
Why, all of us are confused and we forgot cause fish them now bite, guys. So they have to try to figure out which part to go. So 4 boat there so right now. Fish them now bite, so try work out something, figure out something.
Yeah man, big up guidance and protection. Yeah, oh, big up yourself, oh, so what you said today, you know, big up. Big machine them, yeah?
Alright peeps, first from the day. Couple of hours now since we draw up a line and catch a fish. Just drawing a goal a while ago. I see one more down here, so one more goal here. One here Barracuda, I catch it as well. So catch one here. Captain a pick out that one there. 2 goalie silk. Pumpkin down there, no? Young. This is a vegetation that them feed on called pumpkin. This young. Shrimps. Lumped up with shrimps. Crustacean.
Peak barra.
Oh, beat.
Monster this, you know?
Give me the cleanse. Yeah, man, watch him for. But I don't want to itch up nowhere, so. Monster barrow.
Poke in my mouth, you know? Circle and curvy.
Yeah, peeps, see there? Great Barracuda. See teeth them? Massive. It's like him away and I'm 30 pound. You guys are lying really stuck. But great stuck. I figured it's probably a fish that can carry go stuck it. Even though the current's strong. So I've been pulling up for a while now. And feel like something to find it. Mine tell me so it's one of the grouper. Mystic grouper them. Diego. But wait and see how much we have still. Silk. People. Nice silk them. See them there? 5 nice silk, you know, guys. See them there? Size of man. Big fat silk. Gold eye. See them eye? Look, the gold color. the evening them a bite. In the evening them a bite people on the size of amberjack. Walleye again. I hook them clean up. Like I know them a bite. Shiny girl, aka Queen Snapper. Big silk. So, Queen Snapper. Silk snapper. Nice one. Yeah guys, just woke up early in the morning, you know. Second day at tow line. Sunrise at the east. Perfect morning. Right in the boat. Blackfin tuna. Run up at the line. Tie it up but no. Draw the line through the rope. Do like this. See? Like that. You push this one, bottom one through the middle. Like that. Good to go. Up again in a peeps, hook up again. More than likely it's a blackfin tuna. Again, peeps. Go again. Blackfin tuna.
again, babes. Hook up again. Boy, bait me have one killer bait from morning just work. Man, I wonder what kind of bait this may have. One is special, you know. They're all afraid of that bait, you know. Nice blackfin tuna.
Peeps, just drop it and get some China girl. One Diego. One of the float off of the line. Just retrieve it. Fish down bites slow from morning, guys. And I just reach up and a fish float off, the float up out there, so see it will float up there right now. Just right to surface. Like a China girl, so the queen snap out there, so.
Yeah, peeps. Just so Kurt not come on that video, you know. Just want to say thank you guys for coming with me on this adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed the content, and if you did so, I hope that you'll put a like underneath the video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet by hitting the post notification bell so you can get new updates for whenever I upload new videos. Alright? Yeah man, enough love and respect to everybody worldwide who watch the video. All walks of life. Really love and appreciate you guys, alright? Yeah man, continue to support me by watching the videos and watching the ads and liking the video, guys. You know, share the content with your friends and family. Hope you guys learn something from this content, and tune in next time and I'll bring you some more entertaining videos, alright? I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, but due to the fact that I'm always on the water, guys, I don't have any time to be editing and stuff like that, but I have a lot of content, and I promise we're putting in some effort in putting out more content, so that's spirit, guys. Alright, so until next time, guys, fish on, bless up.